I think Mondays are a lot easier to take when the weather is as pleasant as it is today. The only catch is we'd rather be out in it than in here.
That's very true. I had the luxury of just meandering outside about an hour ago with the dogs, and it's just gorgeous out. We have that stronger April sunshine. You really feel it when you walk outdoors. It warms up the house a little bit better. So we're getting to that point, and it's really starting to feel quite nice. Taking a look over Portland right now, barely a cloud in the sky. We're going to have some high-level cirrus clouds meander in later on today, but for the most part, it's really nice. The wind is still elevated. We noticed that yesterday. It is going to stay elevated. It's keeping things dry. Notice the dew point at 31, 41% humidity, but that is going to keep very few clouds in the sky throughout the majority of the day. And we see that here on the satellite and radar. There are a few clouds moving through the mountains. That was about it. On a broader scale, we see our incoming system. There it is, some showers and thunderstorms that are trekking through the Ohio Valley, and we will eventually bring some of these showers in tomorrow. Not quite organized. We're not going to be dealing with the severe weather outbreaks that you've probably heard about that we are expecting in the central part of the country, but just little rounds of rain showers is really going to be the majority of what we deal with here in Maine this week. Current temperatures extremely comfortable, mid-50s, low dew points, really crisp, comfortable sunshine. So if you do have the opportunity to get out for the lunch hour or when you're done with work, taking that quick walk around the block, it's really rejuvenating. It's nice to get outside today. We are in the 40s still in the mountains, but plenty of sunshine to bask in. Over the next couple of hours, we'll start to increase the clouds a little bit over northern Maine, and then eventually they'll increase pretty substantially through the rest of the state. By midnight, most of us are covered over in the cloud cover, and we can expect some more of that shower activity to start bubbling up. It will be scattered at first and then a bit more organized in nature by the time we get to Tuesday morning. It moves through most of the area by Tuesday afternoon, and we kick this whole thing out by about 4 o'clock in eastern Maine. Now, we are expecting some mixing into the county and far northern reaches toward the Canadian border, but the majority of us are going to see all rain out of this. And we still have time to warm up behind it, so we're actually going to pop right back into the 60s on the other side of this. So it's kind of an interesting day. A little cloudy and dreary to start. We have about 3 to 4 hours of rain. The sun will come out. We'll pop into the 60s, and we're A-okay for the rest of the day. By Tuesday night, we are clear again. Wednesday again, we start off on the clear side. We'll increase that cloud cover, and then we'll have a few more chances of rainfall in the forecast, but nothing that's really going to be highly impactful. And this rain comes while you're at work and the kids are in school tomorrow, so it's really not that big of a deal. By the time practices have to go for kids tomorrow afternoon, it will be sunny. We do have increasing cloud cover tonight with those morning showers starting to come through. Most of us are above freezing, but again, into the counties and especially right along the Canadian border, we could see some mixing. On the water, no major issues today, but we're still a little bit breezy, water temperature 42. So yeah, we're going to move things up into the sunny places today, and the temperatures near 60 for a lot of locations is where we'll end up. By tomorrow, we'll drop temperatures a little bit, but notice all the chances of showers in the forecast. Pretty typical April. The only day that looks, I'd say, somewhat like a washout would be Thursday, but the rest of the days we still manage to mingle some of that sunshine as well as the cloud cover and rain shower activity.
That is an April forecast. Thanks, Mallory.